Don't you just love it when the mower guy starts at 7:30 in the morning? Well, I'm sure all the campers love it.
She's Lola. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Wow, what a difference a day can make. We've got blue skies, no wind. This is gonna be an awesome day. I've got some exploring to do. Good morning, friends. I had a great night last night at 4 Mile Creek on Lake Ontario. I'm going to give that campground a 5 out of a 5. Very clean, very pretty. The people that work there are very knowledgeable, and nobody bothered me at all. It was great. The bathrooms were clean, and this is the first time on this trip that there's been a heated bathroom. So it was actually usable for like showers and stuff. It was great. Loved it. So I'm at this little city park right down the road from it now. I had pulled up a geocaching app earlier, and there's a geocache here, and that's usually what brings me to these cool places. So I'm going to check out the little city park and see if I can fly my drone. This will be the first time I think I've flown my drone on this whole trip because usually of weather or location too close to airports and stuff. So this will be fun. So it said on the geocaching app that the city paid big bucks for this land, and they keep it very maintained. Oh, let's see if that says anything about drones. No weapons, no fireworks, no alcohol, no glass, no camping, no hunting, fishing, fires, driving. Okay, cool. Cool. All right. So yeah, the city maintains this park very nicely indeed. It's mowing season. Mow their dandelions.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
Yesterday on my way up to Niagara Falls, I noticed these other little state parks along the road. They're not campgrounds, they're just parks, I guess, maintained by the state. This is called Devil's Hole. I just wanted to stop and check it out real quick. Very cool. Spring is a fabulous time to visit up here. You get all the beautiful flowering blooms and no crowds. All right, let's go check it out. This is awesome, y'all. It's pretty good moving river there. Yeah, I'm gonna guess this is definitely a no drone zone. There are tons of helicopters everywhere. So many people want to take tours. This is another one of their little state parks. It's called Whirlpool. It's just about a mile down from the last little park. There's this Niagara Gorge Rim Trail, and that's what was going through that other park. So it goes a very long ways. Very cool. Very cool. Skill level, easy. Canada, y'all. Right there. Wow. So if you want to bring your giant, they have a chair for him. Check out the whirlpool. I hope my daughter never wants to raft this. That's some intense water, y'all. Yep, you can kind of see it going around. Look. Wow. How cool. And it's going to be a short drive day today. I've only got about 128 miles to go. I'm going to go visit a friend of mine that I haven't seen in years. So I'm going to make up for those short days though later, I'm afraid. Stop for a little lunch on Lake Erie because I can. Awesome.
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Well, goodbye, New York. Hello again, Pennsylvania. Good to see ya. So I decided to stop this video here because I didn't want to make it too terribly long, and also because I want to dedicate an entire video to my friend Kim. I really hope you'll tune in next time so you can meet her. You won't be sorry. She is one amazing chick. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all stay lost, my friends.